What it do? It's your girl Deja. Welcome back to my channel. So I've been trying to position my camera so y'all can see me and like all of me, but that's probably not what is happening right now, but we're just gonna have to work with it, okay? So in today's tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys, this is our first 4K tutorial. We will be going over basic stomp and shake motions, of course. I will be going over highly requested video, how to do a high stomp, high step, any way you want to word it. And then lastly, I'm going to be going over the double shake officially, because I have made a video about double shake. Go check that out. I'll put the link in the bio, but this is an updated version. So stay tuned for the double shake, the motions, and the high step. I'm gonna go ahead and take my slippers off. So in high school, we actually had a little song for our motions. I can't really remember it, but I'm gonna go over it with you guys. So first, in your motions, of course, you want to make sure you are strong and you are, what is the word I'm looking for? You need to have muscle memory, because in your dances, in your motions, in your chairs, you're going to be hitting a lot of motions at various times. So you have to make sure that they are on point and on time, meaning that your motions can't be 2 seconds late. They need to be there and there on time, okay? And you have to be stiff, not completely, but when you need to be, especially in your motions. Stiffness is where you need to be, okay? So I'm going to go over some motions with you guys. These are very popular motions in the stomp and shake world. You want to make sure, for one, when you're hitting your motions, your hands should not be open, they should not be loose, they should not anything, because the most attention goes to your hands. So when you're hitting your motions, you want to have baby donuts and big donuts. These are your big donuts right here. So when I hit my high V, boom, big donuts. Your thumbs should be tucked under. You don't want to see your thumbs. If that's the case, then your chair is going to look sloppy. So making sure you guys are very neat in everything you do is the ultimate tip in hitting your motions, okay? So make sure you're intentionally trying to be neat. Okay, so I'm going to hit these motions for you. This is high V. And in your high V, you want to make sure it's not all the way back here. It's kind of in, you able to see in your peripheral that your high V's are up and your hands are tucked. High V. Low V, okay? In your low V, you could still see in your peripheral, and I could see your big donuts. You're down here, and it's clean and it's sharp, and we're going to do it again. High V, low V, T. This is the most famous motion in stomp and shake. Your T has to be strong, and it has to hit every time, because that's when you are doing all this and all that. So your T has to be on point and on time. Broken T. All you're doing is bringing that in, and I should be able to see your baby donuts. Broken T. These are the motions that you see almost all the time. Little dagger. This is middle dagger, okay? Middle dagger is right here. This is the motion you're in half of the time when you're crossing, when you're up, down. Middle dagger, okay? You're right here in the center. Low dagger. This is down here. When you're going, this is low dagger. You want to make sure it's right in front of you. And big donuts, okay? This is touchdown. You don't really use this motion, but sometimes it is needed when you are like this or like that, okay? This is touchdown. And then we have right diagonal. This is your right diagonal. You see this motion all the time. Shake, shake. Left diagonal. In your diagonal, you want to make sure that you can see from your peripheral. It's not too close to you, but it's just right, a crooked line, okay? So we're going to do that over again. I'm going to go through all of them. Make sure your thumbs are tucked under and I cannot see them. Big donuts, baby donuts. Okay, let's hit this motion. High V, low V. T, broken T. Middle dagger, low dagger. Touchdown, whatever. Right diagonal, left diagonal. Okay, I hope you guys got that. Practice in the mirror, because you have to make sure you don't look like this, okay? So make sure you practice in the mirror and practice keeping your tongue stuck, okay, loves? Next, we're going to go through the high step. High step. Okay, a lot of people have been asking me, how do you do this? It's very simple. In most chairs, you kind of stay down here all the time. But in Stomp and Shake, you got to kick it up, okay? And this is the key step in your high step. You want to make sure your toes are pointed, because if your toes are pointed, then your legs and the angles that you're in are all right. So you can't shortcut this. You have to make it all the way up here with your toes pointed and your toes next to your knee. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what a high step is. First, you want to stomp, and in that stomp, your leg is automatically up here. So I'm going to show you in the middle dagger, tongue stuck. Okay, and in that stomp is full force, okay? You don't want to break your leg or anything, but you want to make sure you emphasize that you are stomping. Okay, I'm going to do it from the side so you guys can see the way my leg is going in and up, all right? So you're here. And you kind of want to be on the tip of your toes. You don't want to use your whole feet, because then it's going to be too heavy on you. And just think about your chair shoes. At the top of your chair shoes, that's kind of what you want to use, because you don't want to be on the ground for too long. Okay, so I'm going to do a motion into the high step. So we're going to go Alright, I hope you guys got that. It's pretty simple. I know you probably can't see my feet, so I'll try to show you what my feet looks like. It's going down, up, like that. You see how both my legs are going up? It's a high step, high step, high step. You got it, you got it. Just practice in the mirror and you're gonna get it, okay? So, the double shake, because I do have a video on here about it, but I think I need to make a new one in 4K, okay? So I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a double shake. It's very simple. What you wanna do is loose, okay, baby? Loose it up, loose, because you can't be stiff and trying to shake, man, can you? So, in your double shake, the trick is you kind of want to bounce off on your hip. It's kind of like a reflex. Before you go into the shake, you kind of need a pause. So if I want to shake to this direction, I will pause here and then shake. So I will go hit, 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 and hit. Okay, so I'm going to do the other way. So if I want to shake this way, I would go hit, pause, and then hit. Okay, so we're going hit, 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 double shake, hit, double shake, hit, double shake. Okay, so in the stomp and shake, this is what you tend to see when you go hit, hit, double shake, hit, double shake, or it goes hit, hit, shake, shake, okay? It's a lot of shakes, right? But what you have to think about is there is a pause before the shake. When you go into your shakes, in each shake, there is a little pause. You see that? The little pause before you go back. All right, so I'm going to do the hit on the back so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm going to hit here and then hit here. This is my pause. This is my full shake. So I'm going to go hit, hit, and hit. Opposite. Hit here, pause, double shake here. Go hit, hit, and hit. Okay, so I'm going to do a little dance for y'all, a little tutorial. So I'm going to hit the motions and then I'm going to hit, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit, 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 and hit, hit, and hit, hit, and hit, 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 hit. Y'all know I've been out of it for a minute, so I'm practicing closing my thumbs too. All right, so let's do it one more time. Hit, 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 and hit, 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 hit. All right, you got it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Watch it as many times as you need to. And I will see you guys next time.